सो आपको इस इवेंट में आके कैसा लग रहा है?
Absolutely amazing. Times, we've been a part of Times Lifestyle and Times Fashion Week since 7-8 years now. And Silky herself, I'm wearing this beautiful outfit by Silky Nanda. As you can see, what she does to the outfits, it's totally mesmerizing. And I can't tell you, it's amazing to be here. And Times Lifestyle has been a part of us since last year. But Times of India, we've been working with them since last 7 to 8 years. तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है and I'm really happy to wear Silky every time.
तो सिल्की नंदा की ड्रेसेस का आपको मतलब खास चीज़ क्या लगती है जो आपको अट्रैक्ट करती है?
The best part about Silky Nanda's outfits is you can't find what she makes. Not in Indian market. I am sorry, be it any designer, what she gets her inspiration from, it's totally different. As you can see, what am I wearing? So Silky Nanda is out of space, she's like one of the best designers.
Okay, so आप अपने ड्रेस के बारे में थोड़ा सा हमें बताएंगे?
So I'm wearing this beautiful cocktail gown from Silky's Couture, and this is a new collection which she's just launching at Times Lifestyle Fashion Week. And as you can see, I'm there wearing this beautiful mesh gown, and if you guys want to buy it, Silky Nanda is the person.
We don't just teach design, we nurture the designers of tomorrow. Industry exposure, mentored by industry experts, global platforms, IIFT opens doors to opportunities across the world. Shine bright like a diamond. Fun light in the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I. We're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star I see. Vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd be thinking that we almost had it all. The stars are so high. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Oh, from above, you know you make my world light up. When I was hurt, you came to lift me up. Life isn't can only be better, can only be better. I feel like make as the rose is that you. No remorse, no regret. Forgive. Put your hands together for show opener Shefali Khanna.
फर्स्टली हाय,
Hi,
यू लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
thank you so much.
इस ड्रेस के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
I think this dress is very divine, very sexy, very elegant. But अगर मैं funny way में बोलूँ तो I look like a little Red Riding Hood. मैंने इनको भी यही बात बोली है. But I think this dress is made with a lot of effort. It was a end moment पे मेरी garment change करी गई. और मैं काफ़ी डाउटफुल थी कि गाउन के बजाय ड्रेस कैसे पहनूंगी, बट जो डिज़ाइनर ने आई थिंक जो फेथ रखा मुझ में और अपने खुद के ऑफकोर्स आउटफिट में, एंड जो टीम वर्क गया है इसमें, इट्स समथिंग दैट आई थिंक अ यंगर जनरेशन किड अपकमिंग डिज़ाइनर्स को सपोर्ट करना ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज आपका पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज होता है। ये जो ड्रेस है इट्स फॉर अ सनडाउनर, right? So I think the elegance that she brings without being too loud is what we're looking forward to, and how people should actually, dress up when they go for a sundowner. So I think OTT ke bajaye elegance, exuberance of confidence and a right attitude with the right color is very important.
आपके लिए फैशन क्या है?
See, fashion for me is of course being comfortable but also experimenting, but not going too crazy over the top, because मेरे लिए comfort बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो अगर मैं कुछ पहन रही हूँ, it should look amazing, it should have a great color palette and tone to it, and sometimes I feel fashion is also following the trends, but without, keeping in mind you have to be authentic. So stay authentic, follow your own color palette and your designs, and look good.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you darling, thank you.
आप बहुत सुंदर सुंदर ड्रेसेस बनाते हो। इस आपके पीछे जैसे जब आप ड्रेसेस बनाते हो तो मोटिवेशन क्या होता है? क्या थॉट होते हैं कि मुझे ऐसी ड्रेस बनानी है, ट्रेंडिंग बनानी है, कंफर्टेबल बनानी है?
वेल मेरे लिए फैशन इज़ नॉट ट्रेंड, बिकॉज ट्रेंड बदलता रहता है। फॉर मी फैशन इज़ एन आइडेंटिटी, फैशन इज़ पावर, फैशन इज़ योर पर्सनैलिटी। मैं फैशन को कपड़ों की तरह नहीं देखती हूँ, मैं फैशन को उस फीलिंग की तरह देखती हूँ जो आपको वो फील कराता है व्हेन यू वेयर सर्टेन क्लोथ्स, राइट? व्हेन अ ब्राइड, व्हाई डज अ ब्राइड चूजेज अ लहंगा और अ वेरी हैवी रेड कलर? बिकॉज उसकी फीलिंग वो है। सो आई थिंक ऑलवेज क्लोथ्स, दे ऑलवेज टेल यू अबाउट द फीलिंग। सो व्हेन एवर आई डिजाइन समथिंग, इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट what is this statement gonna be? क्या ये आपको empowered feel कराएगा, क्या ये आपको बहुत girly feel कराएगा, elegant या bold feel करवाएगा? According to that, I design my design. So like you saw on Alankrita, that design, that was a really elegant design, but I chose red color because it was very bold. For me, this collection is Sundowner, right? So I had just one motto in it, and that was, I want it to be sophisticated but elegant. Like every time, I mean, I don't mean to hurt anybody's feelings, but I would like to say, to me, showing skin is not important to be bold. You can always be a little sophisticated and look more hot and sexy. It's always the way you carry yourself.
तो अब जो आपके नेक्स्ट ड्रेसेस आने वाली हैं, वो उसके थॉट्स थोड़ा सा अगर आप हमें बताएं।
Well, इसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा vacation लूँगी because I'm really tired, but definitely I will work something again on something Western. Like we have also given an interview inside, and we were explaining in India it's very limited that people keep it to Indian wear or Indo-ethnic, even though there are a lot of designers like Gaurav Gupta, Rahul Gandhi, Rohit Khanna. They are doing great job. We're moving toward a little Western side, but still, I mean, I love India. Just to be clear, but then again, we should always explore, because that's how you get to know your potential. So I think that should be brought into India with more, मतलब वेस्टर्न डिजाइन्स ला सकते हैं, बट उनको बहुत ही एलिगेंट और सोफिस्टिकेटेड वे से भी प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं कि हर कोई पहन सके, किसी को ये सोचने की जरूरत ना पड़े कि ओ माय गॉड दिस इज लाइक दिस, मैं अनकंफर्टेबल हूँ. सो लाइक ब्रिंगिंग दैट कंफर्ट इन दैट वेस्टर्न स्टाइल इज व्हाट माय गोल इज ऑनेस्टली विद दिस लेबल.
फर्स्टली हाय नुसरत, आप बहुत सुंदर लग रही हैं और ड्रेस बहुत ही ज्यादा सुंदर है.
जो सेट है
this doesn't look like 15 kgs, and she actually made me wear it. And you know, I walked the ramp for Silky before this also, so it has always been a great experience. I love this.
But you all look absolutely stunning. I actually want to steal your gown. And I heard red is your favorite color, and it's absolutely my favorite color. How do you feel it?
Amazing. I really feel like today I'm really good.
So what was your inspiration behind it?
So basically, inspiration was my mom, and she always loved rings and glitters on me.
That is so sweet. Shefali, I want to tell you, I actually don't think that this weighs 15 kg. You look absolutely stunning as well. So how was it to walk the ramp? I mean, I've walked 50 kg lehengas also, but how was your experience?
Firstly, I'd like to compliment you. So good.
Oh my god.
And I've been there, I've hosted, throughout my life. Since it's been 8-9 years that I've been hosting. So you're doing a great job, you're pretty much confident. And I do confident this round all because it's perfect. I really love it's so sexy.
Thank you.
And
मेरे
so the
picture
gold
में होगा, बस मुझे शेफाली में
gold
कर दो।
shows from when are we seeing it next month? Congratulations. Thank you so much, all you lovely girls. Silky, your collection rocks. And you absolutely, all of you look absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Thank you.